adding credit to your TikTok account. Hey guys, cool? Leonardo Paiva back again with another video. And in this updated video, I show you the whole step-by-step process for adding coins, adding credit to your TikTok account. Do you like videos like this? Here on the channel, there are already other related videos. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you guys out. Guys, so let's go. The process is really smooth for adding credit to your account. When you log into your account, you're going to click up here on these three dashes. And you're going to click down here, Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, you'll choose the Balance option. Here, Balance. So I'm going to click down here on Next, Next, Next. And click here on Start. Click up here now on Get Coins. You're going to choose an option here to buy coins. So you have coins of 5, 70, 350, 700 here. You'll choose your option to buy. So I'm going to choose the first option here for the test. 5 coins, click below to top up. And here you can add a payment method. So you can pay for these coins by credit card or PayPal. You can also redeem the Play Store code here. But I'm going to use the Pix option, which is much faster. Click on Pix here. I'm going to put my CPF and my date of birth here. Click on Confirm down here. After I've confirmed my information, I'll click down here to generate a payment code. It's processing. I'm going to click on Always here to require authentication of purchases for security and click OK. Okay, and here it is, guys. This is my QR code, so don't read this code, okay? I'm even going to blur it out here so you don't read this code. So you can scan this QR code to make the payment, or you can copy the code down here. Copy the code, then open your banking app to make the payment. So I'm going to make the payment quickly here. For example, I open my new bank account here. I'm going to click here on the Pix area. It's going to tell you that I copied a code, the Pix code, which I copied from TikTok. I'm going to click here on Pay to make it easier. Pay. So here's Google's 45 cents. I'm going to pay for Google. Click here to review payment. Click Pay. Enter my 4-digit password. And that's it, guys. I've already paid here. For TikTok, from Google to TikTok. If I reopen the TikTok app, I'm going to close the code. And I'm going to update my balance here. So here you have, guys, the 5 coins I bought for TikTok. It's already updated my balance here. Did you get it, guys? Put it down there in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. I'll leave it at that. Big hug. Stay with God. Thanks, guys.